We're back here in the Fab Shop at V8 Speed and Resto, and we've got a pretty cool project going on. This is a 1968 Oldsmobile 442 that we put on a modern chassis, and we're doing a bunch of upgrades. But like a lot of times when you start to get into these cars, you find additional work that you didn't really expect. The customer did not want us to paint the outside of this car, but we noticed that the base of the windshield was very rusty on the dashboard, right? So in a lot of different situations, you can just buy a whole new panel and remove the original and put a reproduction all new steel panel in. This car, however, they don't do a whole reproduction dashboard for the Oldsmobile. They make one for the Chevelle, but not the Cutlass or 442. Most of it is similar. So the cowl section from here forward is pretty much the same as Chevelle. But the difference lies in these vents here and the speaker grille. Those are unique to the Olds, and also the structure on the other side. So to properly repair this panel, we carefully removed the original rusted out Oldsmobile piece by drilling out all the spot welds and removing that panel. And then we used the front part of the Chevelle piece and cut it and blended it in with the existing Oldsmobile dash. We had to add a little strip of steel to connect the dots, if you will, but when we were finished, we had welded this whole thing and metal finished it and blended it so that now you have the original part of the Olds dash, which blends seamlessly in with the new reproduction part that came from the Chevelle. And the final product is that you can't tell that we were ever there. And that's the way we love to do the metal work. There's not a big seam or weld marks or anything, nice and clean. Fun project. So if you have a car that needs some metal work or anything else, you can reach us at v8speedshop.com, and we're happy to talk about your metalwork project.